Yesterday, I had a kind invite to London's best modern Vietnamese restaurant in South Ken called Go Viet. For starters, I had the Bao La Lot, which is a Vietnamese betel leaf stuffed with grilled beef in fish sauce. For the main course, I had the waitress's recommendation, the grandma's braised beef served with rice and salad called My Com Hop. It was sweet, cinnamony, full of flavor. And then I also had the Vietnamese vermicelli noodle bowl called Ban Ca Nung with crispy char-grilled wild Seabass on a dill and curry powder seasoning, full of flavor, crispy batter, boneless wild Seabass. Vermicelli was al dente with like mixed salad inside. And then for drinks, I had the famous Vietnamese iced coffee known as Cà Phê Soda, made of condensed milk, sweet, creamy, aromatic. 10 out of 10 in service, taste, full of flavor, friendly service, delicious food.